insights into applied artificial intelligence business use cases. Our esteemed speaker will be the Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Business Development Manager for Europe, Middle East, and Africa region at AWS. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Kirti Chakra. Over to you, Kirti.
Thank you, Amal. Is my audio clear?
Clear, yes. Yes, please.
Okay, cool. Let me start by sharing my screen and if you can confirm that my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible now.
Let me change it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's in the presentation mode, I guess, now?
Yes, it's clear. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Amal. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're all enjoying the BIBF AI for All conference. Thank you for joining the AWS session on artificial intelligence. I am Kirti Chakra, AI and ML Business Development Manager, working with customers in EMEA emerging markets, and I'm based in Dubai currently. And in my role, I'm helping customers derive business value by implementing AWS AI and ML solutions. In today's session, I will cover how some of the inspiring customers who are being industry leaders have embedded artificial intelligence and machine learning and have been deriving business value and making their customers have a better experience. Also, I would like to mention here that my colleague Mohammad Izzat is also doing a very interesting workshop tomorrow. You would have seen it in the agenda, which has a technical deep dive into AWS machine learning solutions. So let me get started. As some of you have been through the presentations today, you would have heard that IDC has been predicting that by 2021, which is next year, the global spend on AI and cognitive technologies is going to exceed $50 billion. And some of the early movers, which you will see shortly, are using AI and ML to gain competitive advantage also. As we have been working from AWS with customers globally, we have seen machine learning went from being just an aspirational technology to mainstream extremely fast. And as you would have seen, this has happened primarily due to cloud computing coming into the mainstream. So it's time for organizations like you, everyone here, to overcome their machine learning worries or challenges and stop playing the catch-up game, rather be the leaders in machine learning technologies. So no matter where your organization is on the machine learning path, we at AWS can help you in terms of bringing a machine learning success inside your organization. So how did our journey start? So this is very interesting for most of you who would have been a customer of Amazon.com. Amazon itself has been a company which went through a multi-year machine learning journey in order to be a ML-driven company, as you all see today. Amazon has been applying machine learning in areas such as personalization in supply chain for more than 20 years. Now, machine learning has become an integral part of Amazon. We have improved, for example, the original personalization model just from being a product recommendation into music recommendation, book recommendation, into Amazon Prime, many other areas. And we also use machine learning throughout the fulfillment process. In fact, I would highly recommend, of course, after this pandemic is over, to visit one of our fulfillment centers anywhere in the world. You can request on our website, and you can see for yourself how machine learning has been helping us in terms of developing a forecasting system that can predict the appropriate amount of demand we get from each product, and which we are able to sell worldwide, and also able to meet the customer's expectation, not only on just convenience, on the cost and delivery speed. And we have developed natural language processing technology to give consumers an entirely new way of interacting with technology. I'm sure you would have seen this in some of the speakers today also would have mentioned, if not, Alexa has been a very popular technology with consumers. And we are also developing groundbreaking technology in terms of the autonomous flight via prime air drones and using robotics in our fulfillment centers to get the packages to our consumers faster. This has been a big cultural change even for us. And I'm sure every organization is thinking of a similar cultural change and looking for success. So how can we at Amazon help you at AWS? So our mission is to take our rich experience and expertise with machine learning across Amazon and also by working with tens and thousands of customers globally, how we have helped them address their challenges. And now we are able to help you get the same technology, even if you are a developer, if you are a data scientist, even if you are a cloud admin or an architect, you can start to use machine learning quickly and make your applications intelligent. This approach very much resonates with all our customers in terms of making machine learning very easy to access and use. So as you see, we have more ML customers than anywhere else in the cloud. AWS customers who are using machine learning for production workloads are from finance, retail industries, fashion, real estate, healthcare, public and state governments, even some of the hot startups are using machine learning on AWS to make a big impact in their businesses. Companies are working with us to build solutions that have machine learning in the core of their organization. As you are seeing here, so you have seen so many thousands of customers. Of course, we will shortly come into some of the examples. We'll dive deep. Before we come, I thought it's important to understand where are these customers actually deploying machine learning in their enterprises. And the important point is it's not just deploying machine learning, they are creating measurable results in these areas. For example, customer experience is being transformed by capabilities such as conversational interfaces, personalization, recommendations. AI/ML is helping many customers improving business operations with sophisticated demand planning and forecasting model, and also take faster decisions. And AI/ML is helping customers create new products, services, business models to innovate and gain competitive advantage. And if you think of, especially during the current pandemic time, customers are trying to re-innovate the way they are going to interact with customers, the way they are going to offer their services. And innovation has been very important. So how are these customers who have been successful? What are they doing? Just wanted to share, as we have been speaking to customers on a regular basis, both those that have adopted machine learning throughout their organization and some of them who are getting started. Through these conversations and our own journey of Amazon incorporating machine learning in all our processes, we have learned 5 key things. And some of them would have been already highlighted in the presentations by other speakers also. But just to put it in perspective from AWS, first is data, which I'm sure Amin also mentioned earlier in his presentation. Machine learning must have data, and while there is a lot being produced, companies struggle with how to manage it. And second is organizational uncertainty about how to get started with machine learning and where to apply it to the businesses to have the most impact. And as we go through this, while I conclude my presentation, you will be able to see how we are able to address these challenges all the customers had initially had and also have been successful. And the third and the most important thing is, I believe, is skills gap. There aren't enough people who have built machine learning models already in your organization. And the fourth is making sure there is an executive sponsorship and there's a champion who has a culture of, who can build a culture of machine learning inside your organization. And fifth is, most of the time, customers are focused on figuring about their data centers, about their servers, and a lot of other things. So most of the time, you are spending time on undifferentiated heavy lifting. So how can you start refocusing your energies on solutions which can truly bring value to your business instead of letting being a data center focused organization. So let's go into some of the interesting use cases. I wanted to start with F1 because I'm sure there are a lot of F1 fans in this conference who are attending now, especially from Bahrain. So Formula One, as you know, is a battle between the world's best drivers. It's also a battle of some of the world's most innovative engineers, which is the interesting part, which I'm going to discuss now. No other sport has been as dynamic in its evolution and embracing new technology as F1 has. While some of the technology goes in helping the drivers who are hitting a maximum speed of 230 miles per hour, taking pit stops in under 2 seconds, and flying around the corners with a force of 5G. Much of it goes in enhancing the experience and growing the base of 500 million fans. So this is why AWS is proud to be a both official cloud service and machine learning provider for Formula One. So as you see here, what AWS is doing is by sourcing historical data, we are using it to teach Amazon SageMaker complex machine learning algorithms. So F1 can predict the race strategy outcomes with increasing accuracy for the teams, the cars, and drivers. These models have then been able to predict the future scenarios using refreshing real-time data as the Grand Prix races unfold to deliver a rich and engaging fan experience. And I'm sure some of you have personally experienced the stats which Amazon AWS has been showcasing on F1 while you watch. So after entertainment, what's the interesting thing? It's food always. So Domino's is an increasingly digital business with more than 70% of the sales coming from online orders. I'm sure some of us would have ordered pizzas during our work from home time in the last few months. So how was your experience if you just related to it? So if you think of Domino's, what are they doing to enable faster pickups and deliveries? That's the most important thing. As soon as we order food, we want the food to be delivered fresh, hot, and quickly. So they have launched this program called Project 310, an initiative that aims that a pizza has to be ready for pickup within 3 minutes or safely delivered within 10 minutes of the order. So they use Amazon SageMaker, which is a machine learning solution, managed machine learning solution from AWS, to build train machine learning models to predict the likelihood of that an order can be placed so that the store can start preparing the order even before it's placed. That is the interesting part. And this solution has contributed to boosting the customer satisfaction. And as Domino's started this project initially implemented in Australia, and they have seen a great success, and now they have deployed to the stores in many other countries. As we are doing most of our transactions online, from ordering pizza to any of the other transactions we are doing nowadays, let's look at some of the organizations who are fighting fraud online. So NuData Security, their business is to reduce and eliminate credit card fraud for retail and financial service industries. NuData is an all-in AWS machine learning customer. They use machine learning with Amazon SageMaker to identify and prevent various types of fraud and stop attacks in real time. There are many types of fraud, as we all know, and probably in some of the areas we have seen the fraud has drastically increased over the last few months. And the fraud attacks are like taking over fraudulent, taking over accounts. And there has been like in some of the records, in some of the industries, there are billions of dollars of losses reported. So what is NuData doing? So by analyzing the anonymous data points from typographic rates to patterns in technology use and other behavior, NuData Security uses SageMaker to detect any anomalous activity before the fraudulent transaction occurs. So by using SageMaker, they have reduced model development time, the machine learning model development time, by 60%, simplified their machine learning architecture by 95%, which is like really amazing to do. And in one of the use cases for a large bank where they have deployed NuData Security, they were able to block 100% of the fraudulent fraudulent attempts in the traffic passively, and this has increased the bank's tolerance for any kind of friction with the consumers. So as you are fighting fraud, we also see customers in other financial areas, especially fintechs, using machine learning. So PayU is one of the largest fintech customers who is on AWS. They operate in 16 countries across Asia, Central, Eastern Europe, Latin America, even Middle East and Africa. So if you look into their India operations, PayU is one of the top 3 payment gateways producers, top 3 payment gateway providers in the country, with more than 30% of the market share, and they have about 300,000 merchants. So you can imagine the scale at which they are operating. So PayU India they have been enhancing their penetration into the digital consumer base and providing instant and short-term credit and a quick checkout, and making the whole transaction very convenient and faster for their customers. So PayU India aggregates and processes data, as you can see, and including the spends of the residents, what are they purchasing, what are their digital footprints, how are they engaging on different digital platforms, and creating machine learning models, and this generates credit score for the consumer. And the key benefits, of course, you'd be thinking credit score is pretty much a common use case most of the customers or fintechs or financial organizations would be deploying. But the interesting part is, by deploying the credit scoring solution on AWS machine learning, support a growth of consumers from 20 million to 50 million. If you think of a couple of years back, there was a kind of demonetization in India, and where a lot of customers moved to digital platforms. And they were able to even bring a new product to the market in less than 2 weeks, which had an embedded machine learning built into it. So from financial, let's go to, we all love holidays and traveling. Hopefully we get to do more often after the pandemic. And here I would like to highlight a new interesting use case from Hyatt. Hyatt focuses on premium customer experience. They had a challenge how to improve customer interactions because they wanted to give personalized interactions and individual properties. They wanted to recommend, and there was a growing amount of customer data while they wanted to create more digital interactions and also understand the customer's preferences as Hyatt guests. So Hyatt leveraged AWS machine learning and data analytics services to make recommendations tailored for each unique guest. This allows Hyatt to distinguish between leisure and business stays. The same person, as I might be going on a holiday with my family and also sometimes traveling on my business conferences. So this is what they exactly wanted to differentiate and appropriately recommend the properties online, which might even include sometimes helping you with upgrades such as room upgrades, spas, restaurants, and other, even while guests come on the property, how can you get a personalized experience? So by implementing the machine learning solution based on AWS, they have seen for personalization, Hyatt has seen about 40 million incremental revenue in the first 6 months of last year. And Hyatt has been continuously adapting machine learning models and predictive models to have better offers to their guests. And let's look at airlines, another interesting area for all of us. And as you can see, Ryanair is one of the leading airlines in EMEA. They offer 24/7 seamless customer experience and also want to reduce this cost while they're offering the better service experience. They want to also reduce offload the high volume of transactions, especially which are of low value, and have the agents focus on what is needed for their customers, what is their priority. So they have worked with our team and our partners to build a chatbot which was built across in 5 languages and was able to handle any kind of routine interactions and any kind of initial requests made from the consumers. And if you see the benefits they were able to derive was they had 89% interaction containment by reducing, which resulted in about 4,000 call centers are saved per month. And also at the same time, because you are not focusing on all the calls, their customer agents were able to give a better service to their consumers. So last but not the least, so how are these customers now able to do machine learning so well and deriving business value? One of the pillars is the technology pillars, as you all know. So if you have been attending AWS re:Invent, which is happening right now, you would surely be seeing some of the exciting announcements made by our CEO Andy Jassy, and you will find some of the new AI and ML solutions also here in this slide. So we are innovating on behalf of our customers to deliver the broadest and the deepest set of machine learning capabilities for all the builders, irrespective of the level of expertise you have in your organization. So at each layer, if you look at here, we are investing in removing the undifferentiated heavy lifting so your teams can move faster. If you are very new to the machine learning journey and you want to quickly make your applications intelligent, you should start looking at the top layer, which are our AI services, which allow developers to easily add intelligence to any of the applications without needing any kind of machine learning skill. These pre-trained models provide ready-to-made intelligence for your applications and workflows to help you do things like personalization, customer experience, forecasting, fraud detection, translation, extracting the meanings from your documents. Many of the tasks can be automated. And if you look at the middle layer, which is Amazon SageMaker, this solution provides every developer and a data scientist with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. It removes the complexity from each step of machine learning workflow, so you can more or less develop machine learning use cases quickly. Anything from predictive maintenance to computer vision, predicting customers' behavior. Customers have able to achieve 10 times improvement in the terms of data scientist productivity by using Amazon SageMaker. And the bottom layer is for expert practitioners and who can develop on the frameworks of their choice. So since you are now able to see successful customers who have deployed the use cases and derived business value, now you know what are the technology platforms available for you. So how do you encompass all this? So that we have, AWS has an enterprise program which has been built based on our years of experience and success in helping organizations adapt machine learning, as well as Amazon's own journey, which I had initially mentioned, to put machine learning first in every area of your business. And the program starts with a very interactive workshop to identify the right business problem, how to tackle it, followed by some of the on-site virtual trainings, ramp-up programs to build your machine learning skills and quickly get started with your machine learning applications. For anyone looking to explore the fun side of machine learning, I would highly recommend for you to explore DeepRacer. There's a challenge on AWS website. And it's really interesting. In fact, we had physical format last year also where customers could attend. So thank you all for attending this session. We are excited to talk to each one of you about your machine learning journey and how AWS can help you. Thank you.